All right, South Georgia Fig family. It's a rainy day here at South Georgia Figs. We're here inside of our high tunnel greenhouse where we're growing several varieties of fig trees. In this evening's video, we'd like to give you guys a quick look at some of the varieties of fig trees that we're currently growing here in our high tunnel greenhouse in these containers. Here in the front, we have an LSU gold fig tree on this side. We have another LSU fig tree. This happens to be an LSU purple fig tree. Here in the back we have an Angelica green fig tree looking fantastic and actually sporting several nice looking figs down there near its base. Next to that we have a Toro fig tree, also looking fantastic in its container. Not looking so healthy over here, but productive nonetheless. Here in our high tunnel greenhouse is this CDD mutante fig tree that we're currently growing in this container. And here in this small container, we're currently growing a Columbaro fig tree here in this 2-gallon container. As you guys can see, most of these fig trees are looking quite well. The ones that are not looking very well are fig trees that we actually had planted outside here at South Georgia Figs. We dug those up, brought them inside of our high tunnel greenhouse. And as you can see, they're looking a little worse for wear right now. But nevertheless, we expect for them to revegetate here within the next 2 to 3 weeks and be looking just as fantastic as the rest of these fig trees here in our high tunnel greenhouse. Now coming up in the next couple of days, we will be taking cuttings from all of these fig trees that we've shown here in this video, with the exception of this Columbaro fig tree down here in that 2-gallon container. We won't take any cuttings from that tree. Got a rough time getting that cutting started for some reason. It just simply did not want to take. It grew a little slow this year, but we're expecting some rapid growth and some vigorous growth from this fig tree in the spring. We will, however, be taking cuttings from our LSU gold fig tree, this LSU purple fig tree, that Angelica green fig tree back there in the back, and this Toro fig tree here in the center, and also this CDD mutante fig tree, which has several branches on it that need to be trimmed back here shortly. So in our next video from here at South Georgia Figs, we'll bring you guys back and showing you how we go about taking cuttings from these 5 fig trees that I'm showing you here now, and also how we go about propagating those fig trees. So stick around. We'll be back in about a week with our next video from here at South Georgia Figs, right here in Grow Zone 8B. Thanks for watching, and if indeed you do currently find yourself watching this video on the fig trees that we're currently growing here in our high tunnel greenhouse, and you're not already subscribed to South Georgia Figs, please indeed take this moment to click that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, South Georgia Fig family, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing figs in our high tunnel greenhouse. Thanks for watching.